Good morning, children. Let's continue the chapter Order is Beauty. We know that, children, our life is crammed means filled or stuffed with various activities like schoolwork, tuitions, sports, arts, and music, prayer, computer, TV, duties at home, and so on. When we lead such full lives, it is possible that we fall behind on some activities. Children, are we leading a relaxed and tension free life? No, we are leading such a hectic life. So, what will happen that time? Sometimes we may forget some other activities to do. This is why it is important to prioritize our duties. We should be able to decide which is more important and tackle them first. An unpleasant duty needs to be considered more important than a pleasant entertainment. What's our main problem is that, children, when we find difficult to do any activity, we will keep it away. Am I right, children? We never focus on that. Instead, we will go with the very simple activities. An unpleasant duty needs to be considered more important than a pleasant entertainment. That is, we should give more priority to difficult tasks at first. If this principle is followed, your parents will never have to scold you for watching TV while homework is pending. It is absolutely right, children. You may have more works to do, but instead of doing that, you may simply waste your time by watching TV or doing any other unnecessary things. Success comes only to the disciplined. Punctuality and order improve our efficiency and guarantee success in life. Children, discipline is the door to success. Like that, punctuality and order in our life improve our efficiency and it brings success in our life. In his autobiography, Wings of Fire, Dr. Abdul Kalam writes about the order and method with which the famous scientist Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, known as the father of India's space program, tackled his responsibilities. So, what did Dr. Abdul Kalam mention in his autobiography Wings of Fire? How did Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, famous scientist, tackle his responsibilities or challenge his responsibilities or accept his responsibilities? He was able to propel India forward in the field of space research mainly because of his disciplined approach. Dr. Sarabhai not only practiced discipline but also was able to inspire his colleagues with his valued quality. See, children, he was able to motivate India forward in the field of space research. It is mainly because of his disciplined approach. And he not only practiced discipline but also he was able to inspire his colleagues with this valued quality. What was that valued quality? Discipline. Punctuality and order give out positive vibes about a personality. It makes you a reliable and dependable person. Naturally, this will give you a better standing at home, in the school, or in the workplace. So, children, punctuality and order in our life not only give positive vibes but also it makes us a reliable and dependable person and will give us a better standing at home and in the school or in the workplace. Surely, it will improve our personality and mannerism. Order in life is a habit that can be cultivated. Children, we should cultivate punctuality and order in our life. Regular food and sleeping habits, a schedule for each day that takes into account our responsibilities and leisure efficient time management, and so on are some habits that we need to inculcate to ensure success in life. So, which are the habits we need to inculcate to ensure success in our life? Regular food and sleeping habit, a schedule for each day works, efficient time management, punctuality and order. And we should inculcate all these habits for a successful life. Prepare a daily timetable for yourself. Display it as a colorful poster in your room so that you can look it up daily. Here are some pointers. A timetable is a guide or a plan for better time management. It will help you plan out your study as well as extracurricular activities. Make a timetable that is practically doable. That is something you can follow on a daily basis. Prioritize your activities. Do not put off, that is postpone for later things that need to be done immediately like assignments etc. Try your best to stick to the timetable but make room for emergencies or unforeseen situations. Declutter your room. Declutter means remove unnecessary things from your room so that precious time is not wasted for hunting misplaced notes or things. So, children, be punctual and a disciplined one and keep doing things properly.